Hi, I'm Lacey and I'm the Prime Minister of Golftyn CP.
And I'm Leah Ray, and I'm the Vice Prime Minister of Golftyn CP.
We are a school in Connaskey and we are going to talk about why mindfulness is important to us and you.
To start our session, we'll start a session from Lacey about mindfulness, as we do it every day after lunch. Please sit with your backs to your chairs, hands on your laps, and you can close your eyes if you want to.
So this mindfulness activity is called How Many Breaths? I don't actually know the name, but that's what I'm just going to call it. So you're going to close your eyes if you would like to. It's optional. And we're going to count to 30 and you're going to see how many breaths you get in that amount of time. Starting now. Right, your time is up. Would anyone like to share how many breaths they had? One more person. Yeah. Now we're going to do it again and see whether it's made a difference. Starting now. Right, your time is up. Anybody else want to share? You in the grey.
First time I had 8 and this time I had only 5. Is that normal?
Five.
You at the back.
I also five.
We do mindfulness to calm people down after a break, such as lunch and snack. The reason we do mindfulness is sometimes people get a bit too excited and can't calm down, so they are very noisy.
In 2011, Durlap showed the impact of mindfulness on kids is an 11% improvement in achievement tests, a 25% improvement in social and emotional skills, and a 10% decrease in classroom misbehaviour, anxiety and depression.
We like mindfulness because we can concentrate more on work. We get more work done and it's so much help for school and for the teachers. And here are some other reasons.
Number 1 is it calms people down. Number 2 is you can sleep better. Also, it can lessen anxiety, helps with friendships, improvises your mood and happiness. It improvises with behaviour and it gives you more time to rest. Improves other relationships, maybe with strangers. It makes you concentrate more, and it can only take you a few minutes a day to complete it.
We're aiming to get people to bring mindfulness into their day-to-day routine, or at least a few times a week.
We want all the schools to have a go at mindfulness to make students feel calmer. We want the government to find time to do mindfulness to make sure that they don't get too stressed. We recommend watching a YouTube video about mindfulness.
This next one is called square breathing. I will show you how it works, then you can have a go by yourself. So one side, you breathe in, next side you hold, down, you go out, you breathe out, and then you hold, and it's just a loop.
Thank you for listening, and we hope you can do this in your daily hours maybe, or just days, weekly, and I hope you guys can take this to consideration.